leading, affecting. Every step is a new height, depth, rationality. Every step starts a new era. Accumulation, pinnacle, construction machinery, China, Xcmg. Born in attention, carries so many expectations, strengthened in temper, eventually filled with confidence. At a new starting line, Xcmg CIRTthem brothers soon will begin to accept all types of large-scale hoisting projects. Along with the rapid innovations in China's hoisting engineering processes and construction methods, the large tonnage crawler crane, with the advantages of adequate lifting performance and large coverage, has become the main construction model for various types of current large-scale hoisting projects. The Xcmg crawler crane has repeatedly won national, provincial, and ministerial-level science and technology progress awards with a total of 61 authorized patents, among which 12 were invention patents. Xcmg XGC16000, with the ultimate optimization at its central goal, is committed to build a hoisting tool with the highest engineering fitness for you. XGC16000 has the best workability among all products at the same level. The most complete combination of working modes. XGC16000 has 8 working mode combinations, including standard condition heavy main boom and light main boom, tower type jeep, super lift condition heavy main boom and light main boom, special heavy jeep and light jeep, in tower type jeep, which are higher than the current products at the same level and highly responsive to the requirements of the large project hoisting integration program. The highest lifting performance. The maximum lifting capacity is 1,250 tons, and the maximum lifting torque is up to 16,000 Nm, which are the largest among all products at the same level in the industry, effectively increasing the safety factor of lifting design. The longest boom combination. The standard condition heavy main boom is 96 meters long and super lifted tower type jeep is 108 meters long, which are the longest among all products at the same level in the industry. The construction coverage is large with integrated lifting and high adaptability. The highest driving torque. With the 4-by working mechanism and strong driving force, it adapts well to complex size and loaded working tasks. XGC16000, with a prominent integrated design, is highly efficient for group transport management. Among all CIRTthem class products, it is the only one with the integrated solution for power unit, control unit, and turntable structure, greatly increasing the efficiency of the company machine dismounting and transport. The company machine uses a number of internally adjusted transportation facilitating design to effectively reduce components and realize substantial optimization of transportation clearance. The innovative new modular hook structure with high conversion efficiency and multi-purpose hook helps users reduce purchase and management costs. Through in-depth system optimization, the transport width of all XGC16000 components are less than 3.5 meter, and except for special components, the transport weight is less than 40 tons, meeting the requirements of transport regulations with a low company-to-machine transport vehicles costs. With ultimate optimization, the XGC16000 has become the hoisting tool for large-scale projects. Xcmg XGC2800, Asia's largest tonnage crawler crane with a superior lifting capacity and leading internationally performance, deserves the reputation of China's first crane. Excellent lifting performance. With a huge torque of 28,000 Nm, it ranks first among all products at the same level. With the four classical conditions of heavy main boom, light main boom, tower-type jib, and special jib, it covers more requirements of large-scale project construction. With the breakthrough in superlift condition fully loaded working, it greatly enhances the company machine mobility in project construction. Domestically purest key technologies. The twin-engine dual-power real-time allocation and intervention system. The parallel V8 Mercedes engine forms an independent or parallel dual-power system, flexibly switchable according to the hoisting project actually needs. With a high safety and fuel economy, saving over 20% fuel compared with the products at the same level. The unique superlift weight luffing mechanism. With the superlift hydraulic power luffing, stations can be changed without secondary assembly, and with the optional intelligent self-adaptive weight luffing control system, loads can be fed back automatically with real-time luffing adjustments and real-time monitoring of the company machine center of gravity precision. The superlift condition safety factor can be substantially increased. The front-back split style turntable, among all kiloton class products in the industry, with a more compact structure and more convenient assembly, it is the first to change the load upper-lower split scheme with the connection to the crawler chassis made with 36 hydraulic synchronous power pins. The company machine center of gravity is lower and installation is more convenient. 3-section crawler beam. With the 3-section full hydraulic whole assembly of the track beam, the separate assembly of track links is completely avoided based on actual construction and transportation situations. 3 transportation modes can be used, i.e., short range as a whole, medium range in 2 sections, and long distance in 3 sections. The weight of the single piece for long-distance transportation is under 45 tons, effectively reducing transportation costs. Special 6-row roller heavy slewing bearing. Jointly developed with the Xuzhou of Germany, it has super performance and the highest degree of company machine coupling. With inverted 6-rotary reducer meshes, it has powerful driving torque and smooth rotation. Convenient control with precision and delicacy. Equipped with a spacious and comfortable control compartment, which integrates work convenience systems such as information, data, console and cabinet, etc. Living convenience systems such as water, cooling and loading, etc. And energy support systems such as high power fuel power supply and lighting, etc. It effectively supports the operation of the Project Frontier headquarters in the field. The use of a special electro-hydraulic propulsion control technology, all machine movements have achieved establish speed regulation. The motion control precision has reached the millimeter level. The lifting operation has a fixed value lifting function, and the maximum lifting accuracy has reached the 100 kilograms level. Powerful wireless remote control system. The 500-meter range-strong signal wireless remote control can meet the precise control requirements of large span, long-distance hoisting, ensuring the operating precision. Complete failure self-diagnosis function. Convenient and comprehensive signal port query, clear workflow, failure alarm function, accurate failure location display, and easy and efficient troubleshooting. Safe and considerate with the redundancy protection. The XGC-28000 design safety margin is not less than 25%, and strength safety margin is up to the highest international standards, leaving sufficient reserves to respond to strong wind, subsidence, and other emergencies under heavy load conditions. All-condition automatic identification protection system. After the completion of the whole assembly, the product automatically identifies conditions easily and quickly, absolutely rooting out the hidden dangers of operating mode setting mistakes. Multiple safety protection system. The main work system uses the quadruple protections including cylinder limit, explosion-proof valve, pressure sensor, and structural rigidity limit. The coupling machine is distributed with up to 67 kinds of safety devices, and the low precise parameters are set with a digital warning to ensure the overload stop. XGC-28000 is specially designed for major hoisting projects such as oil refining, salinization, and coal liquefaction, and energy and mortality, etc., synchronously responding to the requirements of the newest hoist precise conditions and helping the system's expert-level hoisting scheme innovation process. It is destined to become an important support to China's hoisting construction field. In April 2011, Xcmg XGC-16000 and XGC-28000 products and technology successfully passed the national evaluation. The evaluation committee jointly organized by experts from the National Academy of Engineering, domestic specialized institutions, and large construction enterprises jointly witnessed the leaps of China's large lifting equipment technology and manufacturing capacity to the 2,000 tons level.
现在生产出这么1000吨级、2000吨级的履带起重机，解决了我们国家的当前急需的一些任务。
中国履带起重机行业打破垄断的标志性的一个成果。
XGC-16000 and XGC-28000 Xcmg Kiloton Class brand of brothers. Rooted in the deep accumulation of 48 years of lifting equipment, R&D and manufacturing, derived from the strategic objectives of 3 height one loss established in 2001. After 3,600 days of exploration of study, condensed with the wisdom of 100 construction experts from 6 major industries, and carrying the dreams of 26,000 Xcmg employees, we are now fully committed to the development of 3,000-ton class crawler crane. It is not only the finish line, but also the starting point. Every time with well thought out plan and eager anticipations. Xcmg Kiloton Class brand brothers is coming on stage heavily loaded to accept your review. Xcmg for your success.